Welcome back to Just Doing Nails. In this video, we're going to try out this portable nail drill. This nail drill we're going to look at today is from a company called Aqsure, and it's a portable electric nail drill. Here on the side, we just have some of the specs about the product. And then it looks like it comes in different colors as well. Alright, so this shows you what it comes with and also some things that you will need in order to operate this nail drill. So let's open it up and get started. And here it is. So I did love the color on this drill. The aesthetics of it, it feels very smooth. It has a little bit of weight to it. Here is where you're going to put your bits. And then this is where the cord is going to go. Okay, so real quick, I'm just going to pop up some of the extra items that came in the kit. You're going to get a bag to carry this drill in. You're going to get a brush. You're going to get a microfiber cloth. You're also going to get a couple of things of bits and some sanding bands. So I also want to take this time to remind you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I found out that there are a lot of people that are watching my videos, which I'm very grateful, but a lot of them are not subscribing, and I don't really know why. But I would really appreciate it if you guys just take that time and just hit that subscribe, and also remember to hit that like button. It'll really help this channel grow. Alright, so here's the instructions, and it comes with one page of English, and then the rest are in different languages. And I've noticed that with this company, they do accommodate a lot of different languages with their instructions, which I think is really great. I mean, the instructions are very important. Alright, so here's the cord that comes with it, and I measured this cord to be 5 foot long. Alright, on one end we have just your standard USB type. And then on this part we have this switch that will allow you to change the rotation of the drill, the way it's going from forward to back, side to side, however you want to explain it. And then we have a dial which will increase the speed or decrease the speed. And this is the other end of the cord, which will just plug up into the drill just like this. So one thing that did not come with the drill is this part that you will need is just an AC/DC adapter, and most people will have this because they use it to charge phones and other various types of items. So right now I'm going to turn down the music and you guys can see how this drill actually sounds. So I'm just going to play around with it. We're going to turn it up a bit. Now I'm going to turn it down. And then I'm going to switch it, the rotation of it, and turn it all the way up. So as you see, it's not that loud of a drill. The first thing I'm going to do is show you guys how to put in the bit. And it's not a turnstile opener. As you can see, nothing on here is turning. What you're going to do is you're going to take your bit and you're just going to push it down in there. And I don't know how it works, what type of mechanism makes it work like that. But you just push it in there and it will be nice and snug and it's not going anywhere. So to start off trying this drill, I'm going to use one of the sanding bands that they sent with the kit. And I'm also going to use my hand here. These colors on here actually are from a dip powder review that I did. If you like those colors and you want to check it out, I have the video for you guys right up there in the right hand corner. So I usually almost always use my dust collector whenever I'm filing with my nail drill. But in this case, I won't use it just so you guys can get the actual sound of the drill as I'm using it and you know what to expect when you're actually using it. All right, so here we go. So I do want to say I am by no means a professional. Okay, I do realize at times I might not be filing the correct way, and all that. So I just wanted to let that be known. I just like to do my own nails, and when I review these products, it's more of reviewing them for the quality and the functionality of it. It's not to show that I'm a professional nail tech or anything like that. I just love doing my own nails, and I love nail products. So that being said, if you notice while I'm using this that it is stuttering a lot. And I do switch the speeds up to see if that helps out. And it really doesn't seem to help out that much. And truthfully, I was not expecting that much because after all, this is a portable drill. So it's something that is not really meant to be used professionally, certainly not on an everyday type of thing. All right, so I did try to file down that fingernail as well. And as you guys see, it really didn't work that great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to this other bit that they sent. And I noticed immediately when I started to use this one that it was a little bit easier. I didn't get all that skipping that I did with the sanding bands. So if you're a beginner with using drills, I'm really not sure if I would recommend this one. This one is a little tricky when using it. You do have to know how to maneuver around the nail. All right, so here it is. Here are those nails kind of filed down a little bit. And also, you should be able to use any drill bits with these. These are my other bits and they fit in there nice and easy. I had no issues with that. And then you just pop them out. All right, guys, so we're nearing the end of this review. So all in all, I would say this is a good drill bit for travel. It is a portable bit. As you see, we have this bag here that you can just go and you can fit everything into, and it fits nice. And so if you're on vacation, this is a good scenario. So if you break your nail, or you even want to file down your nails or something while you're gone away on a long trip, this would be an awesome thing to take with you. If you're going to be visiting somewhere for a while, this is great. It's very compact. Everything fits nicely into this bag. You can just put it over your hand and carry it on your wrist if you need to. So for a portable drill, I think it works pretty well. And here are all the things that they sent with it. I'm just going to lay those out for you guys again before I head out of here. All right, so if you enjoyed this review, please remember to hit that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to Just Doing Nails, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. Also, let me know down in the comment sections if you've gotten a product like this, like a portable drill before, and how that went for you. Or if this is something you would even be interested in buying. Go ahead and leave those comments down below for me, and I'll see you guys on my next video.